Welcome to CDG Training, the global leader in online training and certification. Elevate your career with our ISO 20121 Internal Auditor course. Our course equips you with essential knowledge in sustainable event management. Learn about sustainability principles, event planning, and auditing techniques through our comprehensive modules. Enjoy the flexibility of self-paced learning, tailored to fit your busy schedule. Engage with industry experts and peers in our interactive virtual classrooms. Earn a globally recognized certification upon course completion. Boost your resume and open doors to new career opportunities with your ISO 20121 certification. Our certification is trusted by employers worldwide. Gain the confidence to lead internal audits and improve sustainable event management practices. Access our training platform from anywhere, anytime, on any device. Our dedicated support team is here to help you throughout your learning journey. Join thousands of professionals who have advanced their careers with CDG Training. Visit www.cdgtraining.com to enroll in the ISO 20121 Internal Auditor course today. CDG Training, empowering professionals worldwide.